and welcome to my channel and to my home. This is a very different video than I've ever shared here before. This house needs a major reset. I need to take down spring decor. There is a mess in the entryway and the kitchen that has gotten away from me, and I feel absolutely unmotivated to do it today. All I really want to do today is go eat a couple of the chocolate M&M cookies that camera guy brought home from the grocery store yesterday and watch movies. I have stuff to do, and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna turn the camera on, chat with you, hang out with you, and hopefully that will motivate me to do it. So thank you for being here, for hanging out with me. Hopefully me sharing this little reset video will also encourage and motivate you to get up and clean or pick up along with me, or maybe just do those things around the house that you need to do that you've been putting off like I've been doing. So we're gonna do a few of those things today, and I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a look at what a reset day looks like for me here. I feel like it's important for you to see the house a little bit unfiltered, like you're gonna see it today. You are gonna see my house in a way that you've probably never seen it before, because I do not often show my mess here. My house, just like everybody else's house, gets messy. Things get away from me, things pile up, things need to get done, and it's at that state right now. And so I thought, you know what? Let me just share it here with you, show you a little look kind of behind the decorating curtain at what I deal with when I'm actually living here and not just sharing decor or decorating for the season. So come on in, come hang out, grab your favorite drink. I'm drinking a Coke Zero today because I'm a rebel, and we're gonna get stuff done. I don't know if you're like me, but anytime I'm doing a house reset, picking up or cleaning, I always start with at least one load of laundry. I just feel like it kind of gets me going. It's my little warm up to get started and gain momentum. Let me know if you have something like that you do too. Okay, I have to quickly talk about the laundry detergent I'm using today, because this is my favorite laundry product that I have found in a very long time. It is by a brand called Laundry Sauce. They are actually the sponsor of today's video, so thank you to Laundry Sauce for sponsoring my video. This is a brand that I discovered a couple months ago. Well, I say I discovered, I have seen it on social media for a very, very long time. People were saying how amazing it smells and it's a luxury laundry detergent, and I thought, okay, let me go check this out. I really care about what is in my products in my home, especially my cleaning product. Much to my surprise, when I looked it up, Laundry Sauce is actually free of parabens, phosphates, phthalates, dyes, Prop 65 chemicals. So I decided to go with their Egyptian rose. It smells so amazing. You definitely get this beautiful rose scent, but it's rich too. When it dries down, there's like this vanilla kind of cedar wood. I'm assuming since it was my first order, I got a scent card too. So I actually have a sample of all of the fragrances, and they all smell amazing. I think my next order, I'm gonna get the Egyptian rose again, but I think, yeah, the Himalayan cashmere. The Italian bergamot smells really good. What was the other one? Is that the one? Oh no, it was this one. The French saffron. The French saffron smells, they all smell great, but that one is like, I love that one. I'm getting French saffron next for sure. These are high-end fragrances crafted by top perfumers. Since this was my first time ordering this product, I decided to just go with the signature package because it came with 60 pods. The pods are pre-measured, so you don't have to think about it. You just throw 1 or 2 in there depending on your load size. It came with the dryer sheets, the scent booster, and the liquid fabric conditioner. If you want to add a little bit of luxury to your home, this is one way you can do it. So I will be sure to put a QR code here on the screen. You can scan that with your phone for easy shopping. And of course, I'll have it linked in the description box below. Do not forget to use my code. It is Brittney Blane 15. That'll give you 15% off your purchase when you check out. So definitely take advantage of that. Thank you for letting me share it here quickly with you today. Now let's get back to cleaning. This reset actually happened the day before I decorated my patio, and I did not expect that video to be out before this one. All of the stuff that you're seeing in my entryway that I'm about to talk about is stuff that you've probably already seen in my patio decorating video, but this was the day before. Just wanted to let you know. You're probably wondering why my entryway looks so crazy. Well, first of all, I got my Amazon reoccurring delivery of my paper towels, but the rest of this is actually from Wayfair. Most of it, a couple things from Amazon, but most of it is from Wayfair for the patio, because I'm about to do my spring patio makeover and I'm so excited about it. It's one of my favorite things to do every year and one of my favorite videos to share every year. All of that is just kind of accumulated here, right, Mink Mink? Yeah, it's all accumulated here, and we're gonna pick it up today and take it over to the patio so that I can hopefully do this tomorrow. Yes, and these are mom's clothes. Yes, they're like, why is all this stuff up here? They're not used to it, but yes, these are mom's clothes. Mom's gonna take these upstairs. Her pajama pants and her pants. Yes, mom just needs to take these upstairs, Hank. Did you need to see in this chair? You want me to pick you up and put you in the chair? I can. You don't want? You want? Okay. Helping me? Mimi's a good helper. One thing about me is that I will always break down a box like after I get something out of it because it drives me nuts, and I don't have all these boxes broken down and they're driving me nuts. So I order these bars from Amazon. They're by a brand called Nugo, and I order them on Amazon on subscription. And anytime they include one of these little ice packs in there, it says plant food and drain safe. So you can use this in your plants instead of just, pouring it out or throwing it away. I think this is really cool. Random, but wanted to share that with you because I appreciate this. All right, guys, let's see here. This can be our recycle trash box.
I love you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Don't be scared of it. Don't be scared of it. It's just a vacuum. Oh, Millie. Oh, Millie. Puppy Kid's not scared of it. Are you scared of it? No, Puppy Kid's not scared of it. Okay, watch this, guys. Ready? Try again? Okay. Going slow. Going slow. Sit down. Okay. There we go. Okay. Good job, Millie.
Okay, I just loaded up the back of the car with a few returns that I need to send off to Amazon. So we're gonna run by the UPS store, and then I need to get deer corn because I am completely out and they've been in the backyard just staring at me with the saddest eyes. Get a basket? I feel like I need a hat. I feel like I want to get a flag to put out on the back patio. This one, or do you think a different one? This is cute. $50. This would be cute in the backyard, right? Oh my gosh, so many cute things. I like that. There's a little light. I don't know where I would put it. I just think it's really cute. It's solar powered. This would be kind of cute on the patio, huh? Do we think this would be cute? Or maybe one of the ducks? How much are these? These are only $7.99. We should get one of these and one of the ducks. I'm gonna get these. I like it all. Do you like this color or this color? What color do you think? I like this one kind of. I like this one. I don't know. Look at the green. Look at the green. Why not? I think they'll like this. I typically don't get this. Camera guy gets this, but I'm gonna attempt to put a bag in the cart. Let's see if I can do it. He doesn't think I can. Where do I put it? I did it. I'm like really strong and stuff. I think we should get two, right? That guy's like, why is that girl doing it? Baby chicks. What is wrong with this car? Why is it like this? I have to like drag it. Oh. I can't do it. You're gonna have to come push this. All right, I'm home from running errands. It is officially time to feed the dogs and the deer, so this is where I'm gonna say goodbye to you today. But I just wanted to tell you thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know this is very different than the typical video that I share here, so if you like this type of content, let me know and I will try to share more. Anyway, the dogs and I will see you again very soon in the next video. Until we do, take care and happy decorating.